Comes in a box like this. I'm just gonna go just open it like yeah, no, this is beautiful. I really like this. This is such a clean pair of sneakers, and the green, such a fall shoe. Honey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's JORAN here. Thank you for tuning in to this video. And so it's been a minute since I uploaded a sneaker unboxing slash review, but this one I had to, and I had to because I actually got the sneaker before it released, y'all, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited for these sneakers. Like, I'm actually probably gonna turn into one of my most worn sneakers. It's not my most expensive sneaker. Oh my god, it's not my most expensive sneaker, but I think I'm gonna love it. I really wanted to do the video today because I don't want to open it. I want to open it on camera. But yeah, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. I love you all so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, let's get into it. So I actually came today, and I'll just start by unboxing it, and then I'll tell you the details of everything. So the box came a little iffy. I did not like the way the box came, but that's normal for StockX. So here, I'm just gonna unbox it first. You guys have seen, if you've seen any of my unboxing videos, StockX just comes in a brown box, and then the sneakers is inside with some bubble wrap. So I'm just gonna take out the sneaker box, get rid of the brown box, opening the StockX app here. Okay, so the purchase date was October 19th. It is currently, today is October 28th. So it took 9 days to get here, which is really good. That's less than 2 weeks, y'all. And I paid $362 in total. The purchase price was $310. Tax, because I live in New York City, was $29.57. Processing fee was $9.30, and I bought this in a 7Y. Not men's 7, but big kids 7Y. It's just cheaper, and I realized I actually like the way the 7Y looks on my feet. So I don't mind getting the 7Y. So now for the big reveal. Here's how it comes. As you know, it comes with a receipt here, but basically just tells you everything that I just told you. And these sneakers are called the Jordan 1 Retro High Dark Mochas, and this is great screw sizing. And it actually comes with a picture of the sneaker. Oh no, this is not the sneaker. These are the Travis Scott versions. They're very similar. Comes in a box like this. I'm just gonna go just open it like. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so it comes like this. When you open it, of course, like they always show you the verified sign. So here are these sneakers. Here is how they look. Take a good look. Take a good look. First thing I realized is it only comes with one pair of laces. But I would truly appreciate a black pair of laces because I think these would look really nice with black laces as well. But that's no big deal. I can get a black pair of laces. But yeah, they just really look nice. And I love the fact that the suede on the back is suede, but it's not like a bushy suede. I don't know if you guys realize when sometimes the suede is like a furry suede. This is like a leathery suede. Is this even suede? It's definitely suede, I think. But it's just really, really nice. Oh, it does come with black laces. I'm bugging, yo. The black laces are on here. I was talking about it don't come with black laces. It definitely comes with black laces. Yes. Thank you. I'm definitely going to do one white lace and one black lace. Like my Obsidians, I usually wear them like this. 2 different laces. So I'm probably going to do that for these. One white lace and one black lace. But yeah, I don't know what else to say about these. These are really nice. I'm just going to slide one on my feet right now. So just to make sure that it fits. I know it's gonna fit because it's my size, but I'm just gonna slide. Ooh, yes, y'all, yes, I love these. Here it is. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm ashy, so don't look there. But here's it on my feet. And yeah, okay, let's talk about these sneakers a little bit. I'm very excited for these shoes. They're definitely a fall shoe, but I am a lover of green, and this kind of like green. It's not too green. It's like brownish green, which I love, and I think this is going to be a great piece. I love the fact that from the front it looks like the pandas because it's like black and white. Is that how the pandas look? I think so, something like that. But you know, on the side it gives you some color, and I just think it's such a clean shoe. It's almost fully leather except, you know, the suede here. But yeah, it's just a very pretty shoe. It's gonna look great with white. It's gonna look great for the fall. It's gonna look great with black. If you're an avid all black wearer like me, this is a great pair of sneakers for you. They do drop October 31st. Retail price, I think for men's is like $170, so you can still have an opportunity to cop these retail price. I just did not want to wait till this price had skyrocketed because everyone seems really interested in these shoes. So yeah, I got them now because why not, you know? Why not? These are really pretty, very clean. They look really expensive. I think these look better than the Travis Scotts, to be very honest with you. Like, they gave y'all a run for y'all money with those Travis Scotts because these look better, but that's my opinion. But yeah, these are really nice. Like, it's just a really nice pair of sneakers. A staple sneaker. I think this might be one of like the staple sneakers in my closet because it's just like basic colors that everyone loves. It's not vibrant, like it's not too much. It's literally like black, white, and like a dark color, dark brown, greenish color. So yeah, that is totally, I'm really excited, y'all. I'm really excited for these. And I'm excited because it came at the perfect time. It's really like the fall, autumn, winter. It's like the perfect time to wear sneakers. Like, this is the color scheme of the season. And so yeah, it's gonna be definitely a staple. What else can I say about it? I think these will go great with like actual like black dresses or something. I feel like this, like a black dress will look really cute, or even a white dress will look really cute. I don't know what else I can say about these sneakers. They're fabulous. They're amazing. They have so much to offer us, okay? So yeah, I will put the link up to these sneakers down below, and do not forget they release October 31st, so you still have time to get them on retail price if you're lucky. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do probably a styling video with these shoes because I love them so much. But yeah, let me know if that's actually something you would want, and more content around, you know, sneakers that you would want me to produce. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.